Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most unexpected yet thrilling releases in the automotive world, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. That's right, BMW, a brand synonymous with performance and luxury, has officially entered the motorhome segment. And as you'd expect, they've done it in a way that's bold, elegant, and thoroughly forward-thinking. This isn't just a luxury camper, it's a statement piece on wheels. A seamless fusion of modern mobility, advanced design, and the unmatched engineering BMW is known for. From the very first glance, the 2026 BMW Motorhome stands apart. The design team has done an incredible job translating BM's performance-driven styling into a completely new format. At the front, the motorhome features a large, illuminated kidney grille that is instantly recognizable, paired with ultra-slim adaptive laser headlights that wrap around the corners with a futuristic edge. The hood is contoured with subtle lines that guide airflow, and the front bumper houses active air vents that adjust automatically to reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency. Even though it's a large vehicle, the proportions are sleek and balanced, hinting at its aerodynamic capabilities. The side profile is just as impressive. The long, sculpted body has a smooth, clean finish with integrated power sliding doors, frameless privacy glass, and flush door handles that pop out as you approach. A full-length ambient light strip runs just below the windows, providing a futuristic glow in the evening. BMW has also equipped the roof with next-gen solar panels that help power onboard systems and reduce dependency on external charging or fuel when off-grid. The awning is fully automatic, deploying with a touch of a button and offering built-in speakers, lighting, and weather sensors for a smart outdoor experience. At the rear, the design is clean and minimalist with wraparound LED tail lights, a hidden towing hitch, and hands-free access to the spacious rear storage bay. Step inside, and the level of luxury is genuinely next level. The cabin is not just well-appointed, it's spectacular. You're greeted by a wide, open living space where every material and surface feels like it was selected for a five-star hotel. The interior features premium Napa leather seating, real open-pore walnut trim, polished aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting throughout. The front cockpit area includes swivel captain's chairs that rotate to face the cabin when parked, merging the driving experience with the living space. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's curved panoramic display, stretching from the instrument cluster across to the center infotainment system. It's fully digital, responsive, and controlled via voice, gesture, touch, or the signature iDrive controller. The main living space includes a convertible lounge area with a reclining sofa, retractable smart TV, and a fold-out dining table. The windows are large and panoramic, filling the space with natural light, and feature electrochromic tinting that adjusts automatically depending on sunlight. Across from the lounge is the fully equipped kitchen. It includes an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a convection oven, a compact dishwasher, and a built-in espresso machine. There are soft close drawers, a pull-out pantry, and clever storage solutions hidden throughout the cabinetry. Everything here is powered by the motorhome's integrated battery and solar setup, giving you off-grid independence for days at a time. Toward the rear is the master sleeping suite. The queen-sized bed features a memory foam mattress, under-bed storage, and overhead cabinets with LED lighting. Above the bed is a large skylight, perfect for stargazing, which can be dimmed or blacked out with the touch of a button. Beside the sleeping area, there's a full luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower, smart glass walls that go from transparent to opaque, a heated towel rack, and a space-saving toilet with a vacuum-sealed flush system. The vanity includes a smart mirror with integrated lighting, weather updates, and Bluetooth audio. Now let's talk about how it drives, because even though this is a motorhome, it's still a BMW. The 2026 model offers two powertrain options. The base version features a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six mild hybrid producing around 390 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system. The premium version is fully electric, utilizing BMW's latest solid-state battery tech with an estimated range of 320 miles and fast charging capability that gets you from 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes. With adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and intelligent traction control, this motorhome handles more like a luxury SUV than a large RV. It glides over rough roads, corners with surprising agility, and provides a quiet, composed ride even at highway speeds. It's also packed with advanced driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, traffic jam assist, and an advanced 360-degree camera system. There's even an auto-leveling system that stabilizes the vehicle when parked, and a remote self-parking function that can be activated via your phone. Navigation includes a special camper mode that helps avoid roads with height restrictions and finds suitable rest stops, charging stations, and campsites along your route. All this luxury and innovation comes at a price, of course. The 2026 BMW Motorhome starts at approximately $185,000 for the hybrid version, while the fully electric model comes in at around $215,000. Optional upgrades like the off-grid adventure package, executive interior suite, or additional battery capacity can push the final price beyond $240,000. It's a serious investment, but for those who demand the highest level of comfort and technology while on the road, this motorhome delivers something no other brand in this space currently offers. So if you've ever dreamed of traveling the world without giving up the performance, design, and refinement of a premium vehicle, the 2026 BMW Motorhome might just be the ultimate way to do it. It's more than a vehicle. It's a mobile lifestyle, built around freedom, comfort, and modern luxury. Thanks for watching AK Cars Reviews. If you enjoyed this detailed look into BMW's bold new direction, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Let us know in the comments, would you take the wheel of a $200,000 BMW motorhome? And if so, where would your first road trip take you? See you next time.